Hello Sudoku friends, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle not in today's newspaper of Friday, May the 6th, 2022. No, it's the yesterday's news edition of Thursday, May the 5th, 2022. Because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition. And this will be number 4515. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes in O. 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 Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yes. Compare the rows or the columns, that's the question. I think the 10. Yeah, this row and that row. 1 1 1 1 1 1 empty box, so we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle of today. It will be a tectonic with the 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.